Good morning, everyone. The Roberts are roaming. This time we are headed to South Beach, Oregon, Whalers Rest, Thousand Trails Park. But first, we stopped for gas. And it was kind of fun because a little girl and her mama pulled up in a Jeep and they ducked us and we ducked them back. So that was kind of fun. Well, folks, we're on 101 South. It's a beautiful day, no rain. We're almost at Cannon Beach here. Oh yeah, we're gonna see. Oh, it's a little foggy out here today. Oh, there's a haystack rock over there. Well, we'll get a better view down the road. Alright, Arch Cape. We're going through this tunnel. Tunnel. Oh, that's so nice looking. Oh, it's bumpy and nasty in here. No honk of horn, mister? There you go.
There's a light at the end of the tunnel.
There comes the light at the end of the tunnel.
It bumps.
Bumpity. Well, we're in a little town here. And we gotta take a right to stay on 101.
Now turn right onto 7th Street.
Look at that, Tillamook. That's where we're headed. Oh, this is a cute little town. Look at this. They got all kinds of little tiny stores. Nahellum.
Follow the road.
Nahellum. I'll be darned. Cute little town. Okay, we're going across this bridge. Boy, do they got people out there getting salmon. Very busy. Pretty. Well, I'll tell you what. We, says 55 miles an hour, and then all of a sudden it's like, no, do 30. No, do 25. This is 101. Oh, look, there's a truck tipping over. I guess it's a pretty tight corner.
That was a camper, not a truck.
Yeah. Let me get around the corner and you see this beautiful view. There we go. I believe this is a little town of Garibaldi. Another seaside town. Easy through here. Oh, they got a bakery. And a thrift shop. And this Chamber of Commerce and a caboose. It's Rockaway Beach. Ready? Alrighty. Wait a minute. Does that say Flamingo Gyms? Yep, Flamingo Gyms. Alright, we're in Garibaldi, something like that.
I'm a baldy.
He's a baldy. Look at this big old smokestack. That's how you know you're in the town, because it's
Got a stack.
it's got a stack. It's pretty prominent. They just redid all this highway, or this road here. Looks real nice. It was under construction when we came through the last time. It was kind of a mess, but now it's nice. Alright guys, we're just leaving Tillamook. Still a little gray outside, but the view is beautiful. You can see in the distance over there is the Air Museum coming up. The Air Museum over there.
Yeah, they used to have a big blimp in there, huh?
Yeah, they used to have a big blimp in there.
Blimp maker.
Cool. Chinook wind. Which is probably why all this traffic is slow moving. Look at that. Isn't that pretty over there? The waterway. Casino's right in the right place. Alright, we're in Depot Bay. Lots of whale watching here. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at there, guys. There's the water. Just tons of people. Man, you gotta get in the other lane. Yeah. Good job. Alright, Depot Bay, and boy is it busy. Real busy. Oh, another red light. Lots of red lights, but the beach is beautiful over here. Look at that. Very nice. Holy smoke, they got a lot of people going on here. What is that for?
No.
Something happening.
No, it's a kind of a beer joint.
Oh, yeah.
Or maybe, oh, it's whale watching charter.
Oh, people are getting ready for the whale watching. Look at this cool bridge. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful bridge. The sights. Newport. We're in Newport. Going up and over the bridge. We're about 5 miles away from our Thousand Trails Park. Making our way